Increasing consumption, impact of population and development. First, rising populations increase demand for food, energy, and water. Second, intensive agriculture depletes soil nutrients, leading to infertility. Third, overuse of fossil fuels threatens resource exhaustion. Environmental degradation, consequences of unsustainable practices. First, factories pollute the air with smoke. Second, household waste contributes to landfills, causing diseases. Third, city sewage harms marine life. Failure to sustain resources, consumption without restitution. First, factories emit smoke that pollutes the air, and household waste ends up in landfills, leading to potential disease and environmental degradation. Second, city sewage discharged into seas and lakes jeopardize marine life. Third, this pattern of consumption without restitution shows our failure to sustain the natural resources we depend on, endangering the survival of future generations. Sustainable Initiative Kulhad's Consumption Without Restitution, a noteworthy initiative by the Ministry of Railways in Varanasi and Raebareli, involves replacing plastic and paper cups with traditional clay pots. Kulhad's, bringing back a taste of tradition. Benefits: first, reducing tree cutting for paper cup production. Second, creating employment opportunities for potters, thereby boosting the economy. Third, minimizing plastic waste. Our role towards sustainable development. Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. First, the United Nations has established 17 Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, to address and find solutions to global challenges. First, goals to eradicate poverty and hunger. Second, ensure good health and quality education. Third, protect air, water, and land from pollution. Fourth, ensure access to clean resources for all. Fifth, true sustainable development needs responsible environmental behaviors from everyone. Quality education. Promoting quality education. Education is crucial for sustainable development. Educated individuals can secure employment, supporting themselves and their families while understanding their duties as responsible citizens. Actions. First, utilize local educational facilities. Second, encourage friends to attend school. Third, assist friends with their studies. Fourth, prevent school dropouts among peers. Clean water and sanitation. Ensuring clean water and sanitation. First, end open defecation with toilet construction. Second, promote sanitation. Third, prevent industrial pollution of water resources. Affordable and clean energy. Embracing clean energy. First, solar power generates electricity without pollution. Second, biogas, environmentally friendly alternative to natural gas. Decent work and economic growth. Contributing to economic growth reduce inequality. We can enhance our societal contributions by A. Pursuing education to secure good jobs. B. Working diligently. C. Acquiring and refining skills to add value within our communities. Reduced inequalities. First, we can foster a more inclusive society by, second, assisting and being kind to each other. Third, being friendly and inclusive in all activities. Fourth, supporting inclusivity regardless of age, gender, or social status. Sustainable cities and communities. Creating sustainable urban environments. To create more sustainable urban environments, we can, first, conserve energy by turning off unnecessary lights and appliances. Second, maximize the use of natural light. Third, opt for energy-efficient lighting and devices. Responsible consumption and production. Mindful consumption and production. As mindful consumers and producers, we can, first, recycle and reuse materials like paper, glass, and plastic. Second, use reusable bags for shopping. Third, donate unused items. Fourth, prefer locally grown, seasonal produce. Fifth, repair leaks to conserve water. Sixth, properly sort and dispose of waste. Protecting aquatic and terrestrial life, safeguarding biodiversity, we need to safeguard marine environments from pollution and terrestrial habitats from deforestation. Actions like reducing plastic use and planting trees are critical steps towards maintaining biodiversity and supporting life on Earth and below water.